Your heels are throbbing, and every step feels like walking on hot coals after a long day at work. That sharp stabbing pain in your arch makes you want to swear off standing forever. Then you see it. An advertisement for a new foot massager that promises to solve every ache you have ever had. It looks sleek and futuristic. The claims are bold. They say it will change your life. They hint at secret technology. But when you actually try to find the specifics, things get a little murky. This is the world of the Relivia Foot Massager. It is a device built for the weary, the tired, and the sore. The marketing team behind this gadget knows exactly how to tug at your heartstrings, or rather, your foot strings. They use high-pressure sales tactics on their website. It feels a bit like a late-night infomercial from 20 years ago. There is a lot of talk about miracles, but very little about the actual mechanics. Is it using rotating massage heads that knead your muscles? Is it sending tiny electrical signals through your skin to block pain? Is it just a high-end vibration motor? The truth is hard to pin down because the company keeps the technical specs hidden behind flashy buzzwords. Most folks who buy these kinds of machines are just looking for a bit of comfort. They want to sit on the couch, turn on the TV, and let a machine do the work. In that specific scenario, this massager probably does a fine job. It provides that rhythmic pressure that helps you unwind. It might even help get the blood moving again after you have been stationary. But we have to be honest about what this is and what it is not. This is a relaxation tool. It is not a certified medical device. It has not been through rigorous clinical trials. You won't find doctors at major hospitals writing papers about its success rates. If you are dealing with chronic long-term foot issues, you should probably talk to a specialist first. A plastic box from the internet is rarely a substitute for professional physical therapy. However, the price point is tempting. It is cheap enough that many people feel it is worth the risk. If it works even a little bit, they feel they have won. The danger comes from the lack of independent reviews. You are basically trusting the word of the person selling it to you. That is always a bit of a gamble. Some people will put their feet in and feel like they are floating on clouds. Others will turn it on and feel like a vibrating phone is tapped to their soul. It is a very subjective experience. If you go into it with realistic expectations, you might be happy. If you expect your feet to be magically rebuilt, you will likely be disappointed. It is all about finding that middle ground between high-tech hype and simple home comfort. Your feet deserve attention, but they also deserve the truth about what is actually happening inside that plastic shell. Every time you see a site promising a total health revolution for a low price, your internal alarm should go off. It does not mean the product is a total disaster. It just means the marketing is working harder than the engineers might be. Still, for someone who spends 10 hours a day on a concrete floor, even a mediocre massage can feel like a gift from above. It is a gamble on your own comfort. You have to decide if that price tag matches the potential relief. Just do not go looking for medical miracles in a shipping box. Real healing takes time and proper care. This is just a nice way to end the day. It is a small luxury for your tired souls. Keep your feet moving and stay skeptical of those too good to be true promises.